Hello y'all, welcome back to the channel. It is currently Vlogmas day 8 and today we're packing and prepping for New York City. Today we are prepping and packing to go to New York City, and there is so much to celebrate. This is my first ever time in New York City. This is actually a surprise trip that Jacob gifted me for our 4-year anniversary. So there's a ton to celebrate, but there's also a ton to do because I'm gonna be in New York in less than 24 hours. So first of all, I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna tell you what the plan is for today, but trust me, there's a lot to do. Hey y'all, if you're new here, my name is Heather. I'm a 20-something-year-old living in Austin, Texas, with a dream to one day become a full-time content creator and move to New York City. So if you don't know, this visit to NYC is a pretty big deal. Like, is New York even real? Like, I need to see it with my own eyeballs. Anyways, I'm so ready to grow as a creative and experience New York City, and if you're interested in keeping up with this delulu, why don't you stick around? Voila, instant volume. This is the fit. Jean jacket, can't go wrong. Let's go. A girl can't get started on her errands without, you know what, a nice coffee, a fun little drink, some caffeine to get through everything that we need to get through, because really I did leave everything to the last minute and there is not that much time. Lovely. If you don't know, I am obsessed with Summer Moon coffee. Actually, coffee in general. That is one of the things I am looking forward to the most in New York City, is trying new coffee places. I might break a record for seeing how many iced coffees I can get in. I still managed to get an iced coffee even though it's really, really cold outside. Let me take a drink. The weather's gonna be between 30 and 50 degrees while I'm there in New York City. I still am super partial to iced lattes, but I might also switch it up for some warm lattes since it will be very cold. Okay, and so these are my nails currently. They're like this mauve color, like a darker pink, but yeah, they've really grown out now. Luckily, these are my natural nails. I usually just do like a gel on them. This is going to be the photo reference that I'm gonna show to my nail tech lady. I was like on the fence about going with like a red color or a green for Christmas, but I decided I wear a lot more like darker toned colors and stuff like that. I don't even have any red clothing at all. So instead of going with red, I'm gonna go with this green. I'm just kind of gonna do the tips and then one like white nail. Let's see how they turn out. Okay, we are here. Time to get rid of these nails and Christmasify them. Okay, just out of the nail salon, and these are the nails that I got. I honestly feel like the French tip, the white one, looks the prettiest, but this color is gorgeous. Like, I wish I kind of would have just done like all of my nails that color, but these are still really cute. I've never done tip before and I think they're really nice. So okay, next, what has been causing me so much anxiety is that I don't know what to wear to New York. So I went through Pinterest just a second ago and I found 2 inspiration photos. So this one is the first one, and it's like a puffy jacket, a white hoodie, and then jeans, and then just like white sneakers. Then I've got this outfit, and instead of the brown, I'm thinking of just doing all black. So like a black vest and black leggings with the white like crop hoodie. I also need a pair of gloves because 1, it's gonna be really dirty throughout New York and I want to wear gloves when I'm out and about, and 2, it's gonna be cold. So like my hands get the coldest and I just think a nice pair of gloves could be good, but I will keep an eye out for that. Let's see what they have. I'll show you everything I got later, but I'm really happy with the stuff that I ended up getting. I'm stopping at Gap. Specifically, I feel like Gap is going to have the things I need left. So gloves are a necessity. I am looking for a black vest. I think if I get that, I will pretty much have almost everything I need. Let's see if we can find them at Gap.
5 hours later.
Okay. All right. Hi guys. Okay. came back from shopping. I need to show you guys what I bought. However, I'm washing the clothes right now, some of it that I got from Goodwill, so I'll show you that in a second. But I didn't even tell you the whole reason why I was rushing today, and that was because I was going to see a movie. We had tickets to go see the new Hunger Games movie, the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, and it was a genius idea to go Thursday night right before we have to leave at 6 a.m. tomorrow. But anyways, it's currently 10:30, so yes, I am still rushing because I'm still needing to get everything ready. They had so much cool stuff that I need to show you. Okay, my battery's running low. Let me switch the battery and I'll tell you in a second. Alright, I'm back, but let me show you what I got at the movie. So first of all, the movie is about President Snow, and it's a prequel to the Hunger Games, so they give us these roses, very symbolic. It's a fake rose, but it looks really real, right? We got this pin, which is how I know the name of the movie. I can never remember it for some reason. The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Okay, so this is the pin. Then we got a postcard. I'm gonna probably hang this on the fridge. I think it's pretty cool. From the back it says, "Greetings from Canon." Then we got a quill pen. I kind of want to open this. It looks pretty cute. Can you imagine me in my journal just with my quill? It's a whole quill. Testing. It's just black ink. Okay, next, and this is so cool. I went like 30 minutes early to the movie because I love going to Alamo Drafthouse. Specifically, they have really cool intros before the movie starts. But look at this. Oh, I almost put this in my mouth. I was like, wait. No, okay, just look. It says Alamo's version. This is a Taylor Swift shirt. They only had a kid's large, but like I think this is gonna fit me perfectly. They said they had some extras and they just had them on the counter, which makes no sense because I don't know why they had them there. The premiere was like a month ago. No, it was like October. It was in October, so I don't know why they had the free shirts, but he was like, you can grab a free shirt, and I was like, there was only 2 left. Look at the back. So cool. Like I didn't even, okay, I want to try it on. I mean, come on. That is so cute. Okay, wow, kind of geeking. So that's not part of the clothing haul, but kind of is. And on that note, let's start the clothing haul. Then we will pack once I show you everything I bought today. I only got one thing from the department store that I couldn't find at Goodwill, and that was a vest. This one was 25 bucks from Forever 21. Okay, I got the stuff from the dryer so that I can show you everything that I got from Goodwill. So firstly, I got this super cute white top. This is from Zara. It's a little bit wide from the bottom, but it's white, it's fuzzy, but it has some texture to it. Perfect for walking around and perfect for layering. So then I got this jacket is from Gap. I was wearing another jean jacket, but this one, it just fits really, really nicely. I really like the fit of this jacket. So this one was good. Lastly, I got this hoodie. Before I washed it, there was actually a little stain on the front. I really hope it came out. It was just like a lighter spot. This is a crop hoodie. This is what I'm gonna wear the vest on top of and then do black leggings. Okay, that's everything that I got from the store. So now let's actually pack. I'm only going to New York less than 72 hours. So I'm only taking a carry-on backpack. I've got to fit 2 days worth of New York in this backpack. So we're gonna pack outfits first, then beauty products, then electronics. Okay, let's do clothes. So this is what I'm packing. This is going to be the first day's outfit. Jeans and this white top. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this jacket, this black vest with the brown pullover. I also got some socks and gloves from Forever 21. I'm gonna take this hat just in case I need a hat. And then for shoes, I'm only gonna do one pair I think, but either Hoka's or my Nikes. Then for electronics, I'm gonna do these headphones. I need to charge them, so I'm not gonna pack them just yet. Same with my Kindle. I need to download a book. This isn't an electronic, but I'm gonna take my water bottle, definitely a necessity. And of course, my phone. makeup bag. Okay, for makeup, it's pretty much everything that I've been using in my other videos. Just foundation, powder, blush, some bronzer maybe. And then I've got my liquids. The moisturizing cream, Aquaphor is a must, especially since it's gonna be so cold in New York. Then I've got SPF, still need to use SPF even if it's cloudy. A larger Aquaphor for my face at night. Deodorant, of course, I use the Native. And then I forgot this for electronics, but my curling iron, this is a curling iron slash flat iron, it does both. Oh, I also have a small perfume of the Libre that I got for Christmas, so I'm gonna take this too. Socks and gloves, I'm gonna put them on this little pocket. Headphones I'm gonna carry with me. This is gonna go on the side. Toothbrush, shoes, makeup bag on top, and she's good to go. I finally got it to close. There it is. I guess I'll see y'all in the morning when we head to New York City for the first time. Thank you so much everyone for watching this Vlogmas. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for tomorrow's Vlogmas video. I'm posting every single day in December up until December 24th if you want to continue to see what happens tomorrow. All right, I'll see you then. Bye.